नमस्ते दोस्तों। तो हमें पता है मैं दिन की रोज़ाना एक वीडियो मैं बनाता रहता हूँ, लेकिन आज की कल मैंने कोई सी वीडियो ना बनाने के कारण आज मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं 2 वीडियो बनाऊँगा आज मैं। कि मैं एआई आर्टिफ़िशियल सिस्टम के ऊपर हमारी एक टॉपिक चल रहा है, जिसके ऊपर हम आज कुछ बातचीत कर रहे थे। ये उसका दूसरा भाग होने वाला है। कि आपको जैसे कि पता है कि मैं रोज़ाना एक वीडियो बनाता रहता हूँ अपनी इंग्लिश को अंदर कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट और उसके अंदर कुछ बदलाव लाने के लिए, और मैं डेली रेगुलरली उसे पोस्ट करता रहता हूँ। तो उसी कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं एक वीडियो बनाने जा रहा हूँ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और हिस्ट्री। इससे पहले वाले भाग में हमने ये जाना कि एआई आर्टिफिशियल हमारे लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है। हमें क्यों एआई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर शिफ्ट होना चाहिए। एआई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कंपैरिजन ऑफ ह्यूमंस वो किस तरीके से लाभदायक है हमारे जीवन में, हमारे दैनिक जीवन में। आज हम समझेंगे हिस्ट्री ऑफ एआई। व्हाट इज हिस्ट्री ऑफ एआई एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन टू लर्न द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एआई टू explain about all about the AI artificial intelligence, the how it work, the how it make artificial intelligence the humans to equal a working to a the some of the problems and the some of the problem to solve, and the how much of the behind of the scene of the it, artificial intelligence to create the behind of the scene, what is the working. And it is to explain that if the video to any person, how the person to view the and past future are or future are the create of the AI artificial system. The what is the point to how much in the previous of the mistake that behind of the make a best optimal of the AI artificial intelligence system. The I am use a my laptop, the laptop screen. I am some of the point to generate, some of the point are right, and this some of the point are right, and it base is to provide of the knowledge. The is something are a first of the point of the AI artificial intelligence history of the start of Alan Turing. What is Alan Turing? Alan Turing is a scientist of a make of a Enigma code of machine. The Enigma code of machine to called bomb bomb of bomb machine, या if if something are a bomb machine. uh, Bomb of machine, the called a bomb of machine. ये the I'm explaining about what is Alan Turing. Alan Turing is a scientist. The first of the machine are a create is a Enigma code. It what is Enigma code? Enigma code is a machine the a Hitler German force of the message or decode. The German force of the a language are a decode are a machine of the code. The some of the communication of the soldier of Hitler use use Enigma code of Enigma code are a German German language are a code, but uh, French of a army cannot be read of German language are it is a code. It use Alan Turing, a scientist, to make a machine a Enigma code. Enigma code decode machine. The decode machine like Enigma code convert to French language to the the French The French of the country read the code and analyze, and some of the some of the knowledge to grab about what is a send of message it is. The Enigma code, the Enigma code are first of the machine like a simply work of a translation, the translation of the words and translation of the meaning it is. But Alan Turing machine is a first problem is a, it cannot be self of the awareness, self of the knowledge are a grab. This self knowledge it meaning are a the if it cannot be learned of the self, this if self learned and the previous of history of a action to cannot analyze and behave of the work. The if some of the sum of the grammatical rule also in knowledge to are also are a read are a provide the if a machine the code of a knowledge about a grammatical rules, the French of the convert into German language, it is the sum of the handwriting of rules or provide that of the base, the convert the German language code to French and French to German. If a very heavy and slow process, it it a basic of a translation machine to achieve, but a very slow and very the the gun the Gunisho. And next are using the deep learning and machine learning. The deep learning and machine learning to use self aware and what is a pre, the the time the knowledge are a self to aware the every knowledge to self aware and the provide यानी खुद से ही वो लर्न कर सके हमने एक ऐसा हमने सिस्टम डीप यूजिंग द डीप लर्निंग एंड मशीन लर्निंग टू यूज ए जनरेट दिस सिस्टम आर ए the first of the machine like the self of the learn of the grammatical rules if no be given a handwriting of the grammatical rule the self of aware self of the learn and the previous of the mistake to analyze and given the outputs the something are a boom of the AI called is a 1990 1990 is called boom of AI that generate of the chatbot is app. The what is chatbot app? The chatbot apps is simply is a the using a website and multiple of the website to go and ask questions like and answer the AI system. The AI system the answer like chatbot app is for the is popular example of the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is like a chatbot app. The chatbot app, the something are the previous of the chatbot app, the predefined of the knowledge base of the eh, answer of the answer of problem to given. The if cannot be self of the learn or self learn or self of the aware. The problem too much of the cannot be self are a solution to given the if are a if else and if else of the condition of the base in the if given of the answer. The 2004 4 is using a data science machine learning and machine learning deep learning of the concepts. The using of a Python popular of the language C plus C sharp .NET. It is a language to use create a some of the AI agent and AI agent of the what is AI agent? AI agent is the working of the physical of environment. What the like a AI agent is a example of the Tesla cars. Like Tesla cars is a self of the driving cars is the best of the example. In 2018 in introduce an open AI system of a tool to given open system tool are a market to available the called ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is a very popular of the AI system as app is a open AI system. If system app the next of the topics I'm explain what is about a agents. Agent is a part of AI artificial intelligence and the knowledge to grab is a very popular of the art AI agent system. If deeply to understand what is AI agent system, thank you for watching and thank you for support. Keep